Hi beauties! Today I'm going to do a review and a wear test about the ROUGE Dior Forever Liquid Lipstick. And I'm very excited because the claims are there and I really want to know if they are true. So let's get started. So today we are going to test out the color 760 and the name is Forever Glam. So I was doubting to buy the 999 color again, but I already have that one in the normal lipstick, so I thought let's do another color. So I went with the 760 in Forever Glam. The claims are that it's transfer proof, matte liquid lipstick with an ultra pigment and weightless long wear. So we're going to test that one out today, but first let me apply it. So I think they always look so gorgeous. If it's a lipstick or the liquid bottle, it doesn't matter. So the wand has it's just like a tear. I really love wands with a shape like this because you can really reach all the corners. First, put it on your lip. It is really liquid. It's also very pigmented, mapping out the upper lip. It's more like a pinkish red. So trying to give it a little bit more color. It feels on this moment very creamy on my lip because it's a little bit wet. You can still see it shine. So for drying it's faster. I'm taking the fan. It takes a while before it's dry. So before you eat or drink anything, I think we need to give this little one time to dry, so we won't transfer anything on our glass or whatsoever. It feels a little bit, now it's dry, drying and pulling my lip a little bit. It's not annoying yet, not like the Kylie liquid lipsticks. They are really sucking the life out of my lip. This one is on the edge, I think. On this moment it doesn't bother me yet. So I'm going to, let me see how late it is. So it's now 11:30 in the morning. I have my whole day for me, so I'm going to check in once in a while to see how the lipstick is holding, if it's everything they say. So that it's a transfer proof liquid lipstick with weightless long wear. But what is long wear? They don't say how long this lipstick is staying on. Oh yeah, they say 12 hours of wear, transfer proof. It's here. Comfortable bare lip feel. So I think I don't have to feel the lipstick anymore. Maybe when it's dried enough. I'm curious about that. So I see you in the jiffy. So checking in. I have the feeling that this edge is constantly bugging me. It feels a little bit dried up and just like a bump, or how do you call it? I definitely can feel it on my lip. It's a little bit annoying. I hope that it goes away. We will see. It's 6:30 and I must say I'm not thrilled. So this lipstick is in the beginning very pigmented. It stays on your lip. With the first bite of banana, there was a little bit of spotting on the banana from my under lip, lower lip, under lip, lower lip. Okay. And further throughout the day, I drank some coffee. I had lunch, grilled cheese today. I couldn't find any tracks of red anymore, but as you can see, this is after my dinner. But as you can see, it's not looking great anymore, and it really feels so dry here. You can see that. It's dry, it's flaky. The whole inner area is gone. Even the corners of my mouth are very ugly. Like you can see here, it's running. And the color, the pigmentation is not that great anymore. It's, yeah. I prefer just the normal lipsticks of Dior and not these liquid lipsticks. I prefer the color 999 over the 760 more because it's a warmer red. This is a cool toned red and it's not my kind of color. I notice now. I had one trick, the ultimate test if it's transfer proof, and yeah, it works. This is my little doggy Janie, and she is the ultimate test for today if this one is transfer proof. Now it's already on for 6 hours, so let me hope that it doesn't transfer on her. And it passed the test. There is no red on her little head. Hey. Mwah. That is so fun that I can kiss my dog with red lipstick because she's white as snow and she's my baby. Thank you, honey, for being my guinea pig. Yes, it's all cruelty free. I'm just trying on some makeup on her. Yeah. 30 minutes after applying it, the feeling on my lip was natural. I didn't hate the feeling until now. I just want to take it off because I don't like this feeling anymore. It's too dry. So what they say, 12-hour wear. It's now 6 hours. 6? Yeah, 6 hours. We're 6 hours further, and that we're drinking and eating. So it's not 12-hour wear if you do that through the whole day, eating, drinking, and things like that. So yeah, I didn't touch it up at all because I wanted to see how it was holding. So it's a shame that because this was 48 euros, I think, 48, and it's not worth it. No, not for me. I prefer the normal lipsticks, and yes, you have to keep track of a normal lipstick, but at least you know. And with this one they say 12-hour wear, but no, it's not a 12-hour wear. If it was a 12-hour wear, then I was very happy, but on this moment, no. It's like, This is it for today. The review and the wear test. If you like this and you have a product that you want to do me a wear test or review about, just leave it down below in the comments and I will look into that. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!